Hello everyone, welcome to this video on the principles of ICH GCP. In this session, we'll go through the principle of ICH GCP. The first principle is ethical conduct. Clinical trials should be conducted in accordance with the ethical principles that have their origin in the Declaration of Helsinki and that are consistent with GCP and applicable regulatory requirement. Clinical trials should be designed and conducted in ways that ensure the rights, safety, and well-being of participants. A second principle is informed consent. Informed consent is an integral feature of the ethical conduct of a trial. Clinical trial participation should be voluntary and based on a consent process that ensures participants or their legally acceptable representatives, where applicable, are well informed. The third principle is independent review. Clinical trials should be subject to an independent review by an IRB or IEC. The fourth principle is scientifically sound. Clinical trials should be scientifically sound for their intended purpose and based on adequate and current scientific knowledge and approaches. The fifth principle is trial conduct by qualified individuals. Clinical trials should be designed and conducted by qualified individuals. Principle 6 is quality by design. Quality should be built into the scientific and operational design and conduct of clinical trials. The seventh principle is a risk-based approach. Clinical trial processes, measures, and approaches should be implemented in a way that is proportionate to the risks to participants and to the importance of the data collected, and that avoids unnecessary burden on participants and investigators. The eighth principle is quality protocol. Clinical trials should be described in a clear, concise, scientifically sound, and operationally feasible protocol. The ninth principle is about reliable results. Clinical trials should generate reliable results. The 10th principle is sponsor and investigator accountability roles and responsibilities in clinical trials should be clear and documented appropriately. 11th principle is quality manufacturing. Investigational products used in a clinical trial should be manufactured in accordance with applicable good manufacturing practice, GMP standards, and be managed in accordance with the product specifications and the trial protocol.